Weche moko bende pod kaunti ma Kisumu ten kaunti nogono kokalo migawo mar puro keto kogne winjruok kod riwruok ma ong'ere kaka Apollo Agriculture mabiro neno ni okonyo jopur moloyo to sub kaunti ma Moroni mabende koro chenro no ochakore. Jatend migawo mar pur kod pith e Kisumu migosi Gilchrist kuom orwako ndamono mar tudruok e konyo jopur e yore mago kaka ginyalo yudo gik ma gipidho, mbolea kata gik ma gitiyo godo e puothe, kendo bang'e to ginyalo yudo kata sir mar hola kowuok kuom Apollo mondo mi koro konygi e weche mago mag pur. Kane giloso e magawa moro e chuny boma ma Kisumu kama ne giketo winjruok ma kamano, giyango ni mane yo kende ma gibiro bedo ka gitudore godo mar neno ni koro jopur bende oyudo ber e kinde mabiro. Korka maneja Peter Mudhi mar Apollo Agriculture bende wacho ni kambi nogono margi en neno ni dwach jopur gin nono kendo koro gichopo dwachgi e konyogi sani. Gigeto jopur mantiere e wards ma adek mayudore Moroni kendo ma giwacho ni koro biro konyo ahinya e neno ni pur margi odhi e yo makare. Jopur bende koro nogolo pachgi kane giloso kamae.
Through this support, and I'm happy to say that Moroni is now well covered because the national government and the county government had earlier introduced a pilot e-voucher system in Moroni, Umbei ward, where rice farmers are identified and linked to agro dealers, where they pay 60% of input cost and the government pay 40% of the input cost.
We are supporting maize farmers, and our target is the smallholder farmers in the county government. So we are working with farmers who are doing between 0.5 acres to 3 acres for the first time. And then in the subsequent seasons we will monitor the payment of these farmers. And at that point, that's when we'll be increasing the acreage for these farmers. So what we do as a company is to bundle up inputs and services. So on inputs we have fertilizer and seeds, and services we have agronomic trade and area yield index insurance. So we also want to ensure that as our farmers produce, they also get the right information on or training on how to produce their maize or any other crop that we be supporting in the county.
When they're coming in with a model for supplying the inputs, then this closes a gap. They're also coming in with the financing element, which is also critical for our farmers. So in our MOU, we have agreed to mobilize for them the farmers, to create the linkages. They're also assuring us that at the end of the day, they'll provide market linkages for the produce that we have. So this is a timely move that we applaud Apollo for, and we're looking forward to a very gainful engagement with them. We welcome them to the county, and we believe we'll walk the talk as partners so that we realize the visualization of farmers.